Hi, safety professionals. Five basic elements of behavior based safety. What are the five elements? Number one, observe behavior. You have to observe the different behaviors of the employees, workers, helpers, whoever working in the organization. So, observing their work, how they are safely working, what kind of their attitude, how they are communicating, how they are behaving with the people, how they are working together, how they are getting the results, how safely they are doing the work. You have to monitor week by week, month by month. You have to make a data. This data is each and every employee of the organization. This is the safety department's the main duty. When you are taking and observing the things about the people, you have a record monthly wise, weekly wise about whether the person behaving safely or unsafely. So you got a data. Second one is analyze the data. So you have to analyze based on that observation, saying that he is who all safely doing, who all not doing safe work. That is the analyze the data. So you have to analyze all the throughout the organization. So you will get the results. These are the persons are doing the safe work and behaving correctly and doing the great job in the ground level. Is doing the communication good. Then some of the persons, they are not doing a proper safe work. They have some behavioral problems. So you have to find out based on the analyzed data. The third one is generate solutions. So the generate solution means you already know the who all behaving unsafely, who all people in the organization not working as per the standard. Their attitude and behavior is something different from the expectation or in the regular manner. So it leads to injuries, it leads to accidents, incidents, and unsafe attitude become the major issues. So you have to generate solution how we can change this behavior. So that is the solutions. Generate solution. You have to find out the solution. Whether we can take it to training or we can mingle with some other persons or counseling or getting inside counseling or outside counseling, all these things. Then fourth element is you have to make a change the behavior. So you already made three things. That is generate. You already generate the solutions. Based on that solution, you have to change the behavior of the person. So you have a data. In the data, you are analyzed. You observed, analyzed the data. Then you generate a solution. You already have a solution about the how to change the unsafe behavior attitude in the industry. Based on this solution, you have to change the behavior of the person within the organization. How you can change? You have to bring the persons for the training, counseling, and periodic monitoring, and sending outside training and working with the systematic people with them and change the behavior of the person that leads to unsafe behavior into safe behavior. The communication also going to be good. So these all the things you are making the person become unsafe behavior into change behavior. That is the change behavior, fourth element. Then what about fifth one? Again, evaluate. Evaluate means what? You already did all the things and you change the behavior of the person, and once this person send for the work, you have to evaluate whether all these effective elements are implemented effectively. The person changed his character and behavior in a successful way. It's a compelling. So we have to audit, we have to see whether the person is capable of getting the behavioral change. Whether once he is unsafe, then we got a training, counseling, communication, everything. Then again we are evaluating the person. That when we are evaluating, we have some checkpoints for the observation. Then once we evaluate, we know it that PBS training and counseling effective, and we got a good results. The solution and based on the evaluation, we come to know the person's results are compelling. So that is the 5 elements of behavior based safety. So especially the most of the construction and the major industries, all nowadays the behavior based safety is required, because the new employees has different environment, different people, and different, sometimes different language. So the people behavior is always a problem for making the accidents, incidents, careless mistakes. So when we observe things and we will change the behavior of the person, we will find the root cause of the problems and change the behavior of the person, we will see more safe working environment and avoid accidents, incidents, and injuries. So that's what the BBS saying. It's like a psychiatrist work. So you have to do, being a safety officer, you will be a psychiatrist, being a behavior based safety professional. Okay, you have to do it, will give the more efforts to bring the safety. So it will reduce the accidents, incidents, and time also. It will conserve the time also. So you have to implement, and you have to try to focus on BBS on your industry and get results. Thank you.